This sounds great, but is this practical to implement? And the honest answer is yes, but only if done correctly. Because the biggest mistakes companies make is buying tools without a strategy, relying only on dashboards instead of automation, treating optimization as a one time exercise. AI driven cost optimization is not a tool, it's a continuous system. Step 1, visibility, week 1 and 2. Audit Oracle Cloud usage, identify underutilized resources, map workloads, critical versus non critical. The goal is know where the waste is. Step 2 is AI enablement. This is typically month 1. Implement AI driven monitoring, OCI tools or third party. Enable auto scaling policies. Activate autonomous DB features where applicable. The goal here is start automated decision making. Step 3 is continuous optimization. This is an ongoing process. Set cost benchmarks. Run monthly AI driven optimization cycles. Align cloud usage with business demand. And the goal is sustain 25 to 30% savings over time.